There is one Lexus here, 2009 model, full option with the sunroof, starting bid 12,500. This is car description. Seats are not clean, can see from here. The sunroof, good look. Possible to repair, has small work, all leather seats. Bumper also inside, possible to repair, one side broken. The backside bumper. This is car look. There is one beautiful 2019 Elantra, 16,500 dirham, starting bid. Here is car description. Very beautiful look. Our car interior is very nice. See, all seats are very good look. This is the car from inside. Look, cruise control, all option available. Without sunroof, full option. Seats are very clean. Right side airbag is open, but very good and clean car. Very nice look. It's possible to repair all. Only will take few days. Very nice car to use for families. As I'm here right now in Alqaryah car action. If you want to buy for your own self car, you can visit here and choose car in bid. It's very sale. Here also small door, possible to repair all. This car need door and finder. Right side here. Other all car is good condition and very beautiful look. There is no have big accident. There is one Nissan Altima here, starting with 7,500, 2015 model. This is the car look. I'll show you from inside. Oh, look inside, very good looks. This is car look inside. Airbag is open without sunroof, full option. Here is one airbag open. This car have 8 airbags. You can see. Very good looks. All seats are clean and new. It's very good look. This car not a big accident. You can see from here. Nissan Altima. All car is okay. Right side door, front right door, and finder. And here is airbag is possible to repair. Glass broke, so with the door have to be glass. And all another is okay. Even front side finder. Well, it's okay. There is no any problem. Good look. And there is one Lexus here, 2009 model. 14,500 starting bid. Car is 4x RX 350, I think so. Fully automatic with sunroof. There is single sunroof. All leather seats. Car is clean. Door not opening. Looks like this car no have accident. This is the back seats. It's the baggage. Clean car. This car no have accident. Without non-accident. You can see here. There's Altima here. 2019 model. 6,500 need right left side finder. Door here. This is car inside condition. Possible to repair all over. There is not big accident on this car. Here is between date is today. There's one Sonata here, 2014 model, 7,500 price. This is car description. Here is need right side, left side finder, driver side, tire, maybe here inside. It's the car inside look. Not that much clean, but it's good look. Because price is very low, bid price, so we'll go cheap price. 2014 model. Full option. There is one Toyota Corolla here, 2020 model. Beautiful car. Bonnet, front bumper, lights, finder, inside condition. Oh, very beautiful. This Toyota full option. You can see from here, very nice seats. This car really very beautiful. Good look, same like new. If I can see kilometer, there is no kilometer. I can show you kilometers. I'm sure it's very low kilometer because car usage can see. And seats are here without sunroof, full option. Very nice look. Here you can see Corolla, 34,500. Very beautiful look. There's one Camry here, 2014 model, 12,500. Bid price. That's car description. This is car inside look without sunroof, full option. Car accidental, I can show you here. 1, 2 airbag is open, steering and down. Camry is clean, good look, seats inside. Accidental, need front bumper and bonnet, clean car. It is not a big accident. And there is one Elantra here, 2017 model, 14,500 starting bid. This is the car, need front bumper, accidental. Inside airbag is open. This car is exhaust open also. Clean car inside. This is car look. There is not big accident, need right side finder and bumper here on the accident. There is one beautiful Kia here. Kia sports car. Very beautiful shape, blue color. Kia 2021 K5, 38,000 starting bid. This car will show you inside. Accidental, not front side, back side accident. This is the Kia. This is the car options. How it looks from inside. Very nice. Very nice interior. Double sunroof, full option. This is the car door. Door cannot open. This accidental from backside, chassis or little baggage. Here is possible to repair. Take a look. There's some beautiful cars here. Honda Civic. Need front bumper, right side finder. 2000, this car description 2019, 15,500 starting look. The car inside look. Airbag is open without sunroof, full option. Car is new inside. This is the car condition from inside. Airbags. These are very new, good look. Here's airbag open. Here is airbag open as well. $10,500 starting bid. It's So many cars here today in action. It is good look cars. I'm showing you just the good cars. Small bearing touch. This is Elantra here, 9500 2017 model. It's inside look. Elantra. It's one Altima here, 2014 model, 8500 starting bid. Very nice look inside without sunroof, full option sunroof, not without sunroof. No have sunroof. Car accidental from backside, need bumper. Without repair. Overall car is okay, there is no big damage. There is Camry here, one 2015 model. Very good look car. This is car description. Need front glass, bumper, bonnet, right side finder. Here, sunroof. No have sunroof, without sunroof, full option. 1, 2, 3 airbag is open. Clean. All leather seats. Car description. Here is Camry. There is one on the Accord here. 32,500 Accord 2020 model. This is need finder. Right side bumper are okay. Bonus possible to repair, not big accidental. This is car inside look, full option. So guys, I'm here in Alqaryah. If you want to visit here, this car without sunroof, full option. All roof need to repair. This is car look here. And there is one Versa here, 2020 model. It's a 2020 model. Car need only left side finder and front bumper. They're all over car is okay. All door, everything is okay. Full option without sunroof. All seats, sunlight new. There's airbag is open. Here is car look. And here is, it's a 2020 model. It's here, Umbrella 9500. Good look car. There is here one Nissan 17,500. Only need left side finder. Here is airbags open. This is called overall look. There is no big accident. Video is going little long because I need to show many cars. Just subscribe my channel if you like videos, guys. Have a great day. This is Umbrella. Show inside. All leather seats, clean car, good look. This one. Just stay blessed. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.